Sometimes I need something more, but if you don't want me.
Hi babes, hi boo boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today's hair is from Wiggins. We know Wiggins, we love Wiggins. We've worked with Wiggins several times. Top 5 all day, every day. They sent me a wig to try on for you guys. Now before I show you the wig, let's see what else came in the box. HD wig cups, love that. Some lashes, edge, brush and comb, edge band of course, and a bag to keep the wig in. I'm too excited to look at this wig. This is their HD lace, undetectable lace, skin melt transparent. It's a 13x4, 20 inches lace front wig. Ooh, pre-curled, pre-everything. All I have to do is just comb this out. Let me show you the lace on this goddamn wig. I'm gonna need these other hair companies to take notes. Look at that. Pre-plucked. This right here, bleached, is plucked. It's just ready to go. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. We have 3 combs. We have an adjustable band right here. It's also removable just in case you don't want it in there. This is what we're working with. I am itching to put this wig on. Itching to put it on. I already have like an HD wig cap on. I haven't even glued this yet and it looks so good already. I'm gonna be using the Bold Hold Extreme today because I'm gonna be keeping this wig on for at least minimum a week. So just add this. Just gonna slide this right on. So I'm going to immediately put on the band for like 5 minutes before I cut it. Put this right on. As tight as I can. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. That looks good. So I'm gonna cut the lace and then make all my adjustments. Just going in with some more bold hold where it's needed. this is where we do some magic, because this looks crazy. Obviously, I'm going to use a tiny makeup brush like this with some foundation to fix everything. Look at this part, and then look at this. Once we have this, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Super Hold Spritz, and I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this. I'll spray it on my finger. I'm actually gonna use this one. This is the Mega Hold. On my finger, just put that. It already looks like it's melting already. I haven't even put a band on it yet. Once we have this, I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit. Checking if it's sticky. It's not, so I'm gonna go in with my band. And before I put the band on, I'm just gonna take some baby hair . And I'm gonna use more of the spritz with my finger. Push this aside.
Sweet talk, never felt that sweet to me, at least based on all my history. I think I get the most compliments whenever something starts to end, and I'm left with empty confidence. Tell me how that makes sense. And I know I've always been the type, optimistic every single time. Maybe at this point I'm in denial, but that doesn't mean that I'll stop trying. Cause being a hopeless romantic don't stop when you're alone. No, no, no. These circumstances, no, they always ruin all my chances. But in the end I always know that they'll leave me left alone. And I'll act like I'm not hurt, cause he said I'm a great girl. No, he said I'm a great girl. Yeah, I'm such a great girl. And I'll act like I'm not hurt, cause I'm such a great girl. Yeah, I'm such a great girl.
this is how the hair turned out, guys. I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna cut some layers later on, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks in its natural state without altering it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because ooh, I am playing with this hair. 10 out of 10. Yep, looks good. Thank you, Wiggins, for sending me this wig. I have nothing negative to say. Lace eats, hair eats, everything. It's just given. All the details about the wig is of course going to be in my description. If there's a discount code, that's where you're going to find it as well. And let me know what you think about this hair. What do you give it? I give it a 10 out of 10. But what do you guys give it? I will see you on another video. Bye. I love you.
Dear Jasmine, Jasmine, dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, I wonder if this love is everlasting. I promise not to treat you like your last.